Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Fllorez.com. So Fllorez.com is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a variety of kitchen items and also some home appliances. As you can see, you can get the pressure cookers, the different kind of variety of items such as vacuum cleaners, the washing machines, and hair dryers and irons. So now let's find out if it's actually a legit platform. So I try to dive deeper. I got to know that the address they've mentioned on their official website doesn't have any actual physical platform that exists at that address. So this is a very much concerning thing. Apart from this, I tried searching for the reviews of this product on Trustpilot website and got to know they have a 2.0 rating out of 5 stars, which is a poor, and it is based on 11 reviews. The people are clearly saying that it's a scam. Don't buy, they fooled me and I dispute. So this is a scam. Pretty much a scam is based on the reviews of the people. And once I tried searching for their domain name information, I got to know that it was registered back in 2025 on the 8th May. So this is also a concerning thing. It being news doesn't mean that it is a generally, as every platform is a scam, but it is also concerning because it is a little less trustworthy. So based on those reviews, I would say like this platform is pretty much a scam and you should avoid buying different products from this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.